Hey guys, this is Chet with the Cleaning Section down here in North Little Rock, and I want to show you a little toy that we've got in today. And it's a HEPA vacuum cleaner that Husqvarna makes. Now most of you restoration guys will know this is a Pullman and Holt. Pullman and Holt is out of business now. Husqvarna bought them out. So if you're looking for Pullman and Holt stuff, you're going to look up Husqvarna, or you just call me and I can help you out with the parts that you need. Now, I wanted to show you this vacuum cleaner because a lot of people don't know about it. It's very simple. It's a HEPA vacuum cleaner, just like a regular old vacuum cleaner, but it's got a regular old vacuum cleaner, but it's got a HEPA filter in it. And what's neat about this vacuum cleaner is that when it's on like this, and you have to come in here a little closer. I want you to show it. I want you to show this right here on them. So you got that. You can turn it on like that. And see what you do, guys. You can pull them back when it's on A. When you pull the trigger, the vacuum cleaner comes on. When you let go of the trigger, the vacuum cleaner runs for about 5 seconds, or a little longer than 5 seconds, and then it'll turn off. That way it's not running continuously while you're not using the sander, or this is a cat saw right here for doing sheetrock. Now this goes right in here, so while you're going right across here and you're cutting that sheetrock, you ain't creating no dust whatsoever. We did our whole building down here last year when it flooded. We did the whole building. No dust, no worry by using this cat saw with one of these vacuum cleaners. Now you can turn this vacuum cleaner on and use it for just HEPA vacuum. And here's the thing I like about it. Come a little closer to me. I want to show you this. This one thing I love about this vacuum cleaner. See, you're going along and you're cleaning, you got your deal right here, you're cleaning, and this filter gets clogged up. Look here. That button right there will bump that filter and bump the dust off of it, so you ain't got to keep opening this thing and doing that yourself outside. It'll save you a lot of time and save you a lot of money. If you're more interested in this Husqvarna machine right here, you can give me a call down here at 501-771-146. And remember, my name's Chet Clark, and I'm your clean connect.